Having some good coconut action over here. Raining coconuts. Buddy's up there with a hatchet or a machete. You don't want one of them stomping on your noggin. On a windy day to boot. Watch your toes. Whoa! Don't go under the coconut trees. You just never know. And if you do, probably put your motorcycle helmet on. I don't know what the count's at now, maybe 10. Oh, and a branch too. Beautiful day out here. Just watching our things, making sure nobody pilfers them. Well, everyone else is out there. And then nice lukewarm water on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think it's Sunday. That's what day it is. February 4th maybe out here. Pretty peaceful, but the trees are loaded. Loaded. And he's coming down the trees. I think you can see that. That brave man. Look at him. No tail on him, he's not a monkey. He's a Filipino. Good job, man. Good job. I'd break a leg and an arm for sure, and probably my lower jaw. Knock some teeth out doing that. Hope everyone's doing fine. As I am. Well, a boat just pulled in. Wonder if they got any fish. Might have to have a peek, see what they did, what they got. All right. That's how it's done. The Filipino way. You guys catch any fish? No fish? Any fish? Doesn't look like many. No fish. Bummer. Bummer. Whoa, she's hard to walk on the sand. And we've got some sea creatures crawling out of the sea off the bottom. There I am under the coconut tree like a fool. Okay, bye.